Welcome to this essential guide on UPS battery maintenance. We'll show you how to master the secret self-test button to ensure your uninterruptible power supply is always ready. The uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, is the silent guardian against data blackouts. Regular maintenance is the only thing standing between stable operation and total data loss. Look out for these red flags: persistent chirping, a replace battery LED, an unusual sulfur smell indicating a leak, or an immediate shutdown during a power flicker. A typical UPS battery life is 3 to 5 years. High heat, above 77 degrees Fahrenheit, can significantly shorten this. Also, frequent deep discharges during outages wear out the internal cells faster. Don't wait for a blackout to discover a dead battery. The secret self-test allows you to force a test today and verify your battery's health proactively. You can manually trigger a self-test on most units. For APC units, press and hold the power button. For menu units, navigate the LCD to System Test. Alternatively, use software like PowerShoot to schedule tests. A pass means the unit switches to battery and returns to AC without error lights. A fail means the replace battery LED flashes or the UPS drops power instantly, requiring immediate replacement. Battery failure is the #1 cause of UPS system failures, accounting for 80%. Proactive testing can reduce unexpected downtime by nearly 95%. For pro maintenance, ensure good cooling, avoid overloading with high-draw items like space heaters, and set a routine reminder to perform a manual test. Electricians should verify the float voltage. When replacing a battery, ensure it's hot swappable if possible. Always wear protective gloves and check for terminal corrosion. Critically, the new battery's amp-hour rating must match the original. To summarize, look for a quick beep and green LED for a pass. Check the battery age. Replace after 4 to 5 years. Physically inspect for bulging or leaks. Finally, monitor runtime performance to ensure a steady discharge.